Hi, today we are going to build a Christmas ornament like this with a coat, let it snow for laser cutting as well, and just we will make an ornament. So this ornament is available for free for now in my Creative Fabrica store. So you can go to Creative Fabrica, the link will be in the description, and this ornament is free. So you can experiment with that and make beautiful ornaments like these ones. Secondly, today I'm going to use a font called Manhattan, and I'm mentioning this font because it is fabulous, and it is by BB Key. So this font we were using to make Christmas ornaments available for free from Creative Fabrica, and they look like this. So let's start. We will start building our Christmas ornament. So for that, first I will bring up my guides from Illustrator, which are right in the middle, and my 5x5 and 4x4 inch box. The inner box is 4x4 inch and outer box is 5x5 inch. So these are I want my Christmas ornament to be into 4x4 inch area, so or roughly into this area. So I don't want to make it bigger, therefore I choose this guide to be there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose an ellipse tool and increase the stroke width up to 20. Let's see how it builds. So I'm going to hold my shift and alt, click and drag, and make this ornament a little bigger, and I might make it 18. So, and keep in mind we are building for laser cutting, so whatever material, mostly it will be wood, so the thickness of every step or every element in this design should be good for laser cutting. So now I'm going to select this and bring it right in the middle of the artboard. So this is ready. Now I'm going to build the hanging part. Now for that I'm going to choose rounded rectangle tool and just put a rounded rectangle here and change it from stroke to fill. That's it. And I will, for the hanging part, and I will keep aligning everything right in the middle of the artboard. For the hanging part I'm going to go ellipse tool and change it from fill to stroke and choose 10 as a stroke width. So we will now adjust this ellipse and bring it in the center. So this defines our hanging part, and we can I will just change the color to show what is happening. So now we will just delete this anchor point, hit click and delete, and our hanging part will be ready. I'll just change the color so to see how it looks, and put everything in the middle of the artboard like this. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to select everything, object, expand, and unite. So this is now one element. You can see here it's a compound path. Secondly, for my signature design, I want to put a star, and I'll just make a small star here. I will choose star tool from rectangle tool area and star tool, and hold shift and alt and click and drag and make a small star which sits in this area easily. And I'll make it a little bit smaller so it's right in the middle, and align it to right in the middle and make it a little bit bigger maybe. So this is my star, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select everything from Pathfinder, use minus front, and this becomes my the outside frame of the Christmas ornament. I'm going to hide all my box guides. Now I know I have a good size of the ornament. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just Control C, copy, lock this layer, hide this layer, open a new layer, and Control F. Now I have this copy, safe copy, and I can work on this copy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock this design and keep working on the next step. So this phrase which I want to put in this ornament is let it snow. So I'm going to select my type tool, click, write let, I'm going to let and let it go, select type tool again. I'm going to type let it snow, the 3 letters, and snow like this, the 3 letters separately, so I can manipulate them separately. I'm not going to write in one line. And the font I'm using, it is called from here Manhattan BBA key. This font, I love this font bundles right here, Manhattan. The name of the font is Manhattan. It is by BBA key. I literally love this font. The link to this font will be in the description. You will see this font is so nicely made that manipulating it is so easy. Moreover, this font also comes with glyphs, like beautiful glyphs. So therefore I love this font and it's easy to use. This is my own personal choice. You can choose any script font you like, but for this purpose, for the purpose of this design, I'm going to use Manhattan. So now let's adjust this let it snow for a phrase in this Christmas ornament. So the most important word should be the most biggest, and it can be a bridge between. Now you can see these 3 are separately written, so I can manipulate them easily. Let's make let bigger like this, and I will try to put some part of the design on this frame, so in the end it is a 1 unit which will be ready to cut. So like this and this. I am happy with this. Let it snow. So it is almost done, but I'm little worried about these thin lines that they should cut with the laser. So I'm going to select everything. I will just increase it, give it a 1 or 2 point stroke. So now it is strong and sturdy and it looks good. I'll bring it slightly on the other side like this, and I'll put the snow here. So now it's ready. Let it snow. So this ornament now can be cut with the help of laser, and if you see any part hanging out, you can just erase it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select everything and either right click, create outlines, but my favorite thing to do is to select everything, go to object, expand, and select everything again, object, expand again, and unite from the pathfinder. And I will unlock my ornament layer and I will select everything, check that there are no strokes or paths, and I will just go to object, expand, unite, and now this is a 1 unit. And if we just change it from fill to stroke like this, it will be, and I will hide my guides, this will be ready for the laser cutting.